wanted to hop on and show you. This is a canvas print, and it's got this wonderful canvas, just like the canvas that I paint on. It's soft, pliable. It's a little stiff because of the ink, but as you can see, focus is back. It has the same appearance as an original. So you might notice this guy down here is upside down, and that is because you can see a slight line right here. Around the edges, it has been what's called mirrored. Here, see that? You can really even tell up here how it's kind of a mirror image of what's on the other side. So that's been done on all four sides, just to give room for stretching. So since this is a print, if you wanted to get a canvas print, you can take it and get it stretched and mount it somewhere. So I'll just take it to the edge of my table here and show you. So they would bend it here along that line and push this on the other side of the canvas, or on the stretcher bar, and then they would use a staple gun and stretch it that way for you if you wanted to order the flat canvas. Or you could try to do that yourself. Or, because this is, flat, you could have it cut it yourself, or have a professional framer cut it and use some archival method to mount it on backer board or wood, I don't know, whatever your framer would recommend, and then you can frame it in a frame. Let me back out a little bit, go get it framed. So here's one I had on hand. It's I'd probably paint it white for this print, but anyway, so this just to kind of give you an idea. Ignore the wire, it's going there. But so you can tell, you would just get a canvas print and mount it, and then you can place it in a frame, and it just looks like a framed original painting. So that's just a quick little example of what you can do with a canvas print.